Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate the Keynote application via the terminal command prompt on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application as well as the terminal command prompt, which are both built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt. Search for this. Open up the terminal command prompt. Wait for that to load. Now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size on screen. Command plus a couple of times. Now we can ls. If I were to, let's just say, change directory into applications, ls, as you can see, there's nothing in that directory. Why is that? That's because Computer Science Videos is not the main admin account. We would have to go back a couple of directories to locate that application folder. So cd // ls. Now if I go into applications, ls, we can see Keynote is available within this folder. If I were to, let's just say, now open up that application, the command to do this is open keynote.app/enter, and this will open up the Keynote application ready for us to create a presentation. So we can now quit Keynote, clear all the content within the terminal command prompt, change directory, exit the terminal, quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.